In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Instagram on all devices. Let's get started, guys. And first off, we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap at this menu, which looks like 3 lines. And then tap at Settings and Privacy. In here, at the very top, we can easily find Account Center. On the Account Center, tap at Password and Security. And right here, we can easily find the option we are looking for. It is called Where You Are Logged In. When we tap at this tool, first off, we'll be able to choose our Instagram account. And what that will do then, that will show you all the devices where you are logged in with your Instagram account. If you want to log out from all the devices except current one, tap right here at Select Devices to log out. After that, here we can choose several devices in that way, or we can just hit at Select All to log out you from all the devices except current one. To continue, hit at Logout. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, it shows now just my current iPhone 15 Pro here. However, guys, if you suspect that someone has access to your Instagram account, if someone may know your Instagram password, they are able to log in back again on their devices. To prevent that, I recommend you to head over back to Password and Security, tap at Change Password, select your Instagram account, and then just go through these steps where first off you need to enter your current password, then you need to enter new password, then re-enter it, and then tap at that button to change your password to prevent someone from getting access to your Instagram account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.